You sit down to work. 5 minutes in, ping. Another message, another switch. And suddenly, it's been 2 hours and you've done nothing. You're not lazy, your brain is under attack, and it's losing. Your brain isn't wired for this world. It evolved to hunt, gather, and survive, not juggle 26 browser tabs while replying to Slack, WhatsApp, and a dozen emails. Every time you switch tasks, your brain uses something called attention residue. That means part of your focus stays stuck on the last thing you were doing. That mental clutter. It builds up. And by the end of the day, you feel scattered, anxious, and exhausted without getting anything meaningful done. We live in a world built to distract us on purpose. Social apps, designed to hijack dopamine. Ads, built to interrupt. Notifications, engineered like slot machines, and your brain just trying to keep up. Chronic distraction isn't just annoying. It rewires your brain. Studies show it shrinks the gray matter in regions tied to focus and impulse control. You lose the ability to sit with discomfort, delay gratification, or think deeply. You start chasing little tasks, not the ones that matter. And worst of all, you begin to feel like focus is something you've lost forever, but it's not. We asked the machine, how do you retrain the brain to focus again without deleting the internet? And it gave us this. Remove the need to choose. Create friction around distraction. Reward deep work. Enter. Focusmate, a free tool that uses behavioral science to rebuild your attention span. Here's how it works. You book a 25 or 50-minute session. You're paired with a real person. You both show up, webcams on. You say, "Hey, I'm writing a report." They say, "Cool, I'm studying chemistry." Then you go quiet and focus. It's not accountability, it's presence. Your brain sees another human working, and it mirrors that energy. No endless to-do lists, no startup friction. It's presence. Focus isn't just about doing more. It's about being where you are, fully, without fragmentation. Just a tiny commitment that rewires your brain. What's happening here isn't productivity. Neuroscientists call this transient hypofrontality. It's a state where your inner critic goes quiet. And time, ego, even fear, all fade. From guilt, from the feeling of never being enough. This is when real thinking begins. Ideas get deeper. Your attention sharpens. And instead of reacting to the world, you start shaping it. We talk about focus as if it were a task, something you grind through. But really, focus is freedom. Freedom from noise. When you protect your attention, you reclaim your time. You reclaim your mind. Try Focusmate. Try presence. Try showing up. And the best part? You don't need superpowers. You just need one quiet moment and a machine that reminds you to stay in it. Your brain still knows how to focus. It just forgot what silence sounds like. Give it a place to return to. Users report finishing tasks they've put off for weeks. Writers write. Coders code. Students study. Creatives create. All because for 50 minutes, the noise stopped, and their brain remembered what it means to focus. Your attention isn't broken. It's just been reprogrammed by the wrong machine. But now, you can reprogram it back. Link to Focusmate is in the description. It's free to try. And if you've got another problem to solve, you ask. The machine answers.